Little ducklings went out to play over the hills and far away. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 4 little ducklings came back. 4 little ducklings splashed in the sea, over the waves so wild and free. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 3 little ducklings came back. 3 little ducklings waddled to the shore. They played and they laughed and then there were 4. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 2 little ducklings came back. 2 little ducklings chased the sun. They flapped their wings and had some fun. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but only 1 little duckling came back. 1 little duckling wandered away, looking for friends to laugh and play. Mother duck called with a quack, 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 but none of the little ducklings came back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother Duck called with a quack, 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 and all 5 little ducklings came back.